Hello everybody! Welcome again to Luto at Bake tayo. Now, ngayong araw na ito, I'll be teaching you how to make crunchy and spicy chicken wings. Ayun. So, ito po yung gagawin natin ngayon. So, mix lang natin yung lahat ng ingredients for the sauce. And then, you just let it simmer for a while. Just probably a minute. Okay. Yan, combined lang siya. Ready na ito para mamaya, para sa coating ng chicken natin. So, naka-dry marination muna yung chicken natin. Tapos, after nun, dito na natin i-drizzle yung cooked chicken mamaya. So, after 30 minutes of dry marination, so, may natira pa tayong breading dito. So, ang gagawin lang natin is to coat na lang yung chicken natin sa more. No? Ayan, so para sure tayo na maayos yung temperature ng ating mantika, even sa pagpiprito, kinakailangan din tama yung temperature ng mantika para maganda ang pagluluto niya. Minsan kasi malamig pa yung mantika, tendency is nabababad yung meat natin or anything that we fry sa mantika na hindi naman dapat. Okay, so meron akong thermometer dito, so I'm going to check kung aabot siya ng 350 degrees, then that's the time it's okay. So, attach nyo lang yung thermometer ninyo dyan and see later kapag 350 degrees na siya, then you start frying. So, yan, antayin lang natin na mag 350 degrees yung ating temperature, saka natin ilalagay yung ating chicken. So, malapit na, it's almost there. Okay, so na-reach na natin yung temperature na 350 degrees. So, pwede ko nang tanggalin muna ito para may space ako for the chicken. And then, there. So, if you look at it, diba, ang ganda. Yan. So, maaamoy mo yung scent ng mga herbs na hinalo natin. Lalong-lalo na yung rosemary. Ayan. So, make sure that this is cooked well kasi chicken, dapat maayos ang pagkakaluto niya. So, we're using today chicken wings. Pwede rin sa chicken legs or any parts that you wish. How do you test kung luto na? Pwede tusukin pag may dugo pa din. Well, of course, hindi pa luto. Okay. So, based on the stopwatch na sinet ko, ang full baking time ng isang buong set na ito is about 10 minutes. So, depende pa din sa laki at sa kakapal ng meat na piniprito natin. Okay? So, this size, so it's about 8 to 10 minutes. Papakita namin sa inyo yung finished product natin, yung na-fried na chicken, tapos na-drain na din siya. Just coat your chicken. Ganun lang. So you just coat your chicken with the remaining sauce. Okay? Ayan. Look at that. And then, you just put a little greens on top para maganda siya. Look at that. It's there. Okay, so ito na yung naluto natin crispy and spicy chicken wings. Now, para sa susunod na mga videos natin, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment in our YouTube channel, Luto at Bake Tayo. See you again in our next video.